Scattered showers around the valley earlier today have since moved out. Radar has gone quiet. What's left moving northward out of the area now and will probably be gone for most of the rest of the night. Future Track suggests that the night is quiet. Tomorrow, spotty showers are possible again, but not very much activity. It's probably a quiet day, and Sunday, not only quiet, but very, very warm. Temperatures this weekend are going to race up into the 90s, especially on Sunday. But then they're going to take a big time drop. It's going to be a dramatic change from Sunday to Monday as the cool front approaches. As of noon, there you see it. Look at the showers and thunderstorms that break out along our cool front midday or so on Monday. We're still 3 days away, so that can change quite a bit between now and then. But what we're confident in is this front is going to come through, and when it does, A, it's going to rain, B, there might be thunderstorms, and C, for this time of year, it's going to turn cold. For this time of year, big time change from one day to the next. Now 30% tomorrow, 10% on Sunday, and then showers and thunderstorms possible when that front comes in on Monday. 60% might not be high enough, but boy, behind that front, temperatures are going to plummet. After being in the 90s on Sunday, by the end of the day, Monday will probably be in the 60s, and by Tuesday, we may be in the 50s all day. So even though we're about 2 weeks late on the average arrival of our first cold front of the season, this is going to make up for lost time in a big way. There's a front kind of draped across Texas right now, but it can't really move until the remnants of Sergio make their way off. And once that happens, then everything pushes southward. Kind of a complicated weather map, but it will simplify over the next day or two. There go the remnants of Sergio off to the north. And down here, we're still warm, because all that cold air starts to pool away to the north. Once that system moves away, all the cold air comes together, begins pushing southward. Tomorrow, still warm. Sunday, still warm. Monday starts warm probably, but by the end of the day, it just turns much, much cooler as north winds blow in. And this is one of those times when it's not going to be just one day of cool weather. We're going to be chilly all the rest of next week, because while the front comes through and gives us a strong northerly wind here at the ground, the upper level winds are going to be coming out of the southwest off the Pacific Ocean, up and over this cool air, and that just makes it overcast and drizzly, light rain all the way through most of the rest of next week. Here's a look at the temperature map. Front to the north now. This is Future Track. Front slowly kind of sags southward. It kind of has to stay up north again until the remnants of Sergio go by, so it's still up there. This is Sunday afternoon. We're 89, 83 in San Antonio, 42 in Amarillo. Then by Monday, the front pushes south. We're in the 70s, even 80s early. Front goes through, we drop into the 60s. It's in the 40s in San Antonio, Waco, Dallas. So a big time turn down in temperatures. And by Monday or Tuesday morning, 50s, and we may not recover much after that. A cold day across Texas. Look at that, 48 in San Antonio for a high. 57 here. This is what Future Track says for rainfall. Look what it does. I'm just going to let this run. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it just keeps growing. Saturday, Sunday, that's Monday, like 10 days from now, is predicting rain all the way through that with 4 inches plus possible across the area. Here's where temperatures are right now across the region. We're looking at upper 80s and low 90s, 88 at the beach. Winds out of the southeast at 16 tonight. Upper 70s for low southeast winds tomorrow. Back up into the 90s, a very warm day, and Sunday even warmer. Look at the 7-day temperature trends. We go 92, 95, 86 Monday. Depends on the timing of the front, as we've said. Temperatures will then fall into the 60s after the front goes through. 58 for a high Tuesday, 59 for a high Wednesday, 62 Thursday, 68 Friday. That is the front you've been waiting for, or maybe you haven't. Partly cloudy tonight, mainly dry, 78 for low. Then tomorrow, back to 92, spotty showers. After tomorrow and Sunday, we're not going to see 90s in that forecast for a long time. This your last summer-like weekend across the valley for a while. 68 and falling, that's what that F means on Monday. And then we just don't recover. Look at the rest of the forecast. Cloudy, damp, drizzly, temperatures in the 50s and in the 60s by the end of the week. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.